An epidemic is possibly going to spread. We need to keep this contained. Biotech is where it started. Testing on animals in confined spaces with no safety measures has put us all at risk. What they were testing for, we can't be sure. What we do know is they are highly dangerous. Now these animals have escaped. They have started to infect other animals. We've managed so far to contain them within the forest, but they can't be held there forever. They're too dangerous. We need you to help us find a cure before they infect mankind. The only way is for you to kill each species and collect their DNA so we know what we're dealing with. Are you brave enough? Are you strong enough? Do you have what it takes? Can you survive?